Oh wait, never mind. Oh god, I forgot it was recording. Oh wait, I think I'm gonna have to pause it here because my mom is still there and she's going to work. And so if I get caught, I think I might lose my tablet. So I'll repeat that because I keep everything a secret. Anyway, even if I'm playing, I still keep it a secret. So yeah, I'm gonna be singing this. So pretty bad. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Okay, I'm pretty sure they're gone. So yeah, whatever. We hear a pillow basically being smacked around. That's basically me in Minecraft music. I'm just working on my leg muscle, not like stomach muscle in there, because I can spin around real good, like I'm doing now. So yeah, I'm going to sing it right now. This is almost being a minute, so let's just get straight into it. And I don't speak very good, so GG. You know what's going down here, don't you? You just wanted to see me suffer. You really hate me that much? I can see who loves. I can see you by keeping you here. Not you, but them. Halt, human. I, the great papyrus, who has something to say. I went down with a dangerous path, but still, I believe in you, even if you don't think so. I think so. I promise. If you get past me, you'll destroy them all, won't you? Monsters, humans, vanquished everyone. Vanished just in an instant. I don't want you to do this. You think I'm going to give up hope? Wrong! It's a beautiful day outside. Birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like these, kids like you should be burning in hell. Just in the underground. The monsters around. And play that past music to see. The only true monster that was here was me. Past. The past. You wouldn't like me. Who wants to destroy all humanity? I'm going to plan. How stop me? What's it a plan? I can try it again. Let's do it underground. This comes true. Let's erase the underground. Your soul gets through. Let's erase the underground. Erase the underground. Erase the underground. Erase this. Let's erase the underground. That heart comes true. Erase the underground. No, so good. You must be the flower you warned me about. What kind of monster are you? Sorry, I cannot tell. Oh no, there's no need to fight. One sec of this over a nice cup of tea. See, I never betrayed you. It was all trick, see? I wanted to get him to kill you for it. He's a respect. I'm Azrael. I promise. No, give me a I can. Please don't kill me! Greetings. I'm Kara. I'm Chara. But more for my death. Don't let us race the room. But we'll want to the next. No? I'm confused. You should be misunderstood. Since you're in control. And yes. Oh gosh. Just ignore that. Oh. Bah! As you can tell, this is obviously mine because just to flip a clip. I'm just gonna head right back over here and over the ad. And yeah. I speak really bad, so as you can tell, I don't really keep up very well because I'm sick, and everyone in school was sick since I went. School was sick, and so I went to the school, and I basically got sick because everyone was basically sick, and I wasn't sick, so that sort of sucks. So I won't be posting any videos that much, but hopefully I will get better. But I don't speak very well. I'm pretty sure I just said that again, but so yeah. Bye.